I'm going to tell you a trick. It's taken me 45 years to work out how to crack a walnut so we get the half unbroken. Actually, that one is not a good example, but I've got that one. I'll show you. Oh, shame, I've cracked them all now. Oh no, I've put it in the fire. I must put it on the floor so I can hoover it for you. Vacuum it for you. Look, the trick is, oh, you can't see on that one. Alright, try that one. You see how the walnut here opens like that? Well, I've always thought that walnuts had to be cracked on the line here. But whenever I crack them on the line, they always end up in pieces. And I've understood at last, it's bloody taking long enough, that if I crack them on the soft side where there's not the seam of the walnut, then they open like this. Why did my parents never teach me to crack walnuts that way? Of course, it's a lot more difficult because they roll about, whereas you can use the spine to keep them still. So yeah, exciting. Look at that, nice half. You know what? These gloves don't feel as good as the pink ones inside.